We have these car wing mirror covers that are pretty yellowed after a couple years in the sun. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be spray painting it. I used some soap and water, just dish soap and water, and then I went over it with some isopropyl alcohol, and now I'm going over it with some 600 grit sandpaper just to get a light key on the surface. After I do that, I'm going to hit it one more time with the IPA, and then I'm going to mask it, the black parts, and then we'll hit it with some gloss white paint. This is the finished product. It's not a perfect match. The paint is a little bit glossier, but you know, for the sake of not having to buy a brand new one, I think it turned out all right. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and take it easy, everybody.